Welcome to your guide on refreshing your home for fall, inspired by warm colours, layered textures, and natural elements. We'll show you how to effortlessly transform your space for the season. Choose a warm, earthy colour palette like burnt orange, deep browns, olive greens, and mustard yellow. These colours create a cosy atmosphere that embodies the essence of fall. Layering textures like velvet pillows, wool throws, and soft rugs brings warmth to any room, creating a cozy retreat perfect for the fall season. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating organic elements like wood, greenery, and fall foliage. Small touches like pumpkins, fall garlands, and natural baskets can easily add a fall vibe. Lighting plays a key role in fall decor. Use warm ambient lights like string lights, candles, and floor lamps to create a welcoming glow in any room. Set a fall-inspired table by using natural elements like pumpkins and fall foliage. Use colours like rusty red, orange, and mustard yellow to make your table feel festive. Add statement pieces like a burnt orange throw or a mustard accent chair to make your fall decor stand out. Pair these with cosy colours like olive green for a well-balanced space. Your fireplace becomes the centerpiece in fall. Decorate it with seasonal garlands, candles, and rustic lanterns to create a warm, welcoming space. When all these elements come together, your home will feel cozy, warm, and ready for the fall season. From the living room to the kids' room, these ideas will inspire your fall transformation. Thank you for joining us on this fall-inspired home transformation. With a few simple changes, you can create a warm, cozy space that feels ready for the season. Happy decorating!